Welcome everyone. Again today we discuss about international conversation and convenient on tribal entrepreneurship. In previous lecture we know about meaning, concept, importance of the international conversation and convenient related to the tribal entrepreneurship. In previous lecture also we discussed two case studies related to our topic. Those are very helpful and indicate if we promote international conversation and convenient, those are very helpful for our societies and very helpful for the tribal communities and tribal entrepreneurship. During this we know that tribal entrepreneurship is very important for tribal society, and it is also helpful for the our society. It is also helpful for the Indian economy. It is also helpful for the social impact. It means it is also provided different impact for the society. International conversation, it is a very important for the tribal entrepreneurship because it is provided a platform for the different knowledge sharing. Establish a international forum and conference where tribal entrepreneurs can connect, share best practices and learn from each other successes and challenges. This could also involve online platform, रीजनल मीटिंग और लार्ज स्केल कॉन्फ्रेंस. हम कह सकते हैं कि इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन जरूरी नहीं है कि फेस टू फेस हो. आज की डेट में डिफरेंट टाइप्स का डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स है. दोज आर वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द शेयरिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स नॉलेज. रिसर्च कोलैबोरेशन, इट इज also important part for the tribal entrepreneurship because encourage collaboration between international research development agencies and tribal communities to study, document successful model for tribal entrepreneurship, and this research can be shared and adapted by other tribal related communities. It is also very helpful for the policy discussion because policy discussion facilitate tribal representative policy makers and international organizations to develop supportive policies for the tribal entrepreneurship, and this could involve access to different type financing institution, different types land right clarification and marketing support for their product. So international conversation is a important part for the convenient of tribal entrepreneurship. It is also very helpful because it has a principle for sustainable practices. This could be a non-binding agreement outlining principles for sustainable business practices that respect the cultural environment, cultural heritage, traditional knowledge of the tribal communities. Fair trade and market access, it is a important convenient for the tribal entrepreneurship, and it is also helpful for the protection of intellectual property, support for capacity building. These important features for the international conversation and convenient for the tribal entrepreneurship, and these process have some challenges related to the representation, related to the enforcement, related to the other different types challenges. Those are have a represent our thought in international discussion. Those are helpful for the societies, those are helpful for the communities. But इन चैलेंजों के साथ में कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट बेनिफिट हैं इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन और कन्वीनियंट से, जो कि बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए. जैसे इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द इकोनॉमिक एम्पावरमेंट, इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द cultural preservation, and it is very helpful for the environmental sustainability. So overall we can say tribal entrepreneurship in a global context play an important role for the different aspects like economic empowerment, social impact, sustainable development, and other important points. Those are helpful for the societies and communities. It is also discussed already because in previous lecture we know about the importance of the international conversation, know about the importance of the convenient for the tribal entrepreneurship. All these points are discussed in the previous lecture, and it is helpful for the environmental sustainability, economic environment, and cultural preservation. International conversation. Important of international dialogue among tribal entrepreneurship. It is an important part for the international conversation because we know that in international conversation among tribes play a crucial initiative that can benefit them in several ways, like it is helpful for the knowledge and experience sharing. It is provided different types new market. New market means international dialogue can open door to new market and customer basis for the tribal business. It is very helpful for the participation in international trade, different type conferences and different types souvenirs that become possible. It is also exploration of export opportunity is facilitated with the help of the reaching new market. That is a very good part of the international conversation. Financial support. International organization might offer different types loans, grants, and other financial assistance to the tribal entrepreneurship, and it is also connecting with potential investors is made easier. So it is very helpful for the international dialogue between the tribal entrepreneurs and between the international collaborators. Policy advocacy, it is also important part for the international conversation because international community can support government in creating a more favorable policies environment for tribal entrepreneurs. It is also collaboration, have a good collaboration and improve strength and also try to protect up tribal rights and land ownership. Those are very helpful for the entrepreneurship. Cultural exchange, it is a good part for the international conversation because international dialogue allow tribal entrepreneurs to share their culture and traditions, learning from others, learning from each to others. This fosters global recognition and acceptance of their unique identity. It is a good feature for the cultural exchange. So cultural exchange is an important part for the international conversation. And next is the platform for international dialogue. Which type platform provided in international conversation and convenient for your thoughts, for your belief, for your plannings. So international dialogue are first is the international conference and workshop. It is a good for the every person. It is a very important platform to facilitate our thoughts conversation among with tribal entrepreneurship because it is a acceptable easily. Online communities and forums is a also good platform for the international dialogue that are very helpful for the tribal communities and tribal entrepreneurs. Business association and networks, it is a also good platform for the changing your thoughts, changing your procedures and changing your market concept, or you can also with association, different types communities, different types network, you connect with your entrepreneurship and योर बिजनेस. हम कह सकते हैं कि इन सभी प्लेटफॉर्म के बेसिस पे आप अपना इंटरनेशनल डायलॉग इस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हैं जो कि एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट है, जिसमें जो खासकर ऑनलाइन कम्युनिकेशन इज ए गुड, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपका जो फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस है या फाइनेंशियल कास्ट है वो भी कम रहेगा, जिससे कि आप एक नए मार्केट में एंट्री कर सकते हैं। ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन एंड कन्वीनियंट इन ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। It means which type platforms provided for the international conversation and convenient to change your dialogue, to change your thoughts. Which type platform provided by the international conversation and convenient to explore the business opportunity. So it is a very good for the society, building on the importance of international conversation among tribal entrepreneurs. This section focus on potential global platform to facilitate dialogue and explore the concept of convenient. It is a United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issue, UNPFII, United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issue. It is a very important part. Those are provided a global platform for the international conversation in tribal entrepreneurship. Next is World Bank. It is also very helpful for the international conversation and convenient. Next is International Trade Center. It is also good platform for the tribal entrepreneurship. And next is Global Indigenous Business Network, GIBN. Here is the two important points: GIBN, Global Indigenous Business Network, and UNPFII, United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issue. Both are very important for the international conversation and convenient in tribal entrepreneurship. By establishing these global platform for conversation and exploring the possibility of an international convenient, the international community can take significant role in supporting tribal entrepreneurship and achieving the SDG, Sustainable Development Goal. Here is the new point, that is SDG, Sustainable Development Goal. It is an important part for the tribal entrepreneurship, and it is play good role for the development of the society. These points, United Nations, World Bank, International Trade, Global Indigenous, another important feature, those are very helpful for the global platform for the conversation, that is online marketplace. It is also play important role for tribal entrepreneurship to sell market product directly to a global audience. And next is also virtual conference. After the pandemic, there is a different types virtual conference and workshop are organized by the different institutions, and social media group is also global platform for the conversation of the tribal entrepreneurship. And others importance like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, these are the very helpful for the tribal entrepreneurs to connect and share information, because on these platforms encourage discussion on various topics like product development, marketing strategy, and navigating government regulation. These groups can serve as a platform for peer-to-peer support and mentorship, and it is sharing resources and best practices. It is also joint marketing initiative to reach a wider audience. So overall, we can say international conversation and convenient in tribal entrepreneurship, global platform play important role for the entrepreneurship. International convenient and tribal entrepreneurship with SDG, it is a also important part for the sustainable development goal. We can discuss in coming classes what is the importance of the FDG, benefit of क्रॉस कल्चरल एक्सचेंज एंड कोलोब्रेशन. हम अगर इंटरनेशनल कोलोब्रेशन एंड कन्वीनेंट करते हैं, विच टाइप बेनिफिट आर available in the society and which type exchange and collaboration are available for the entrepreneurship, available for the others person, we can discuss in this slide. Enhance innovation and problem solving. With the help of the international conversation and convenient, we can sharing traditional knowledge and diverse perspective. It is also building a strong network and support system related to the mentorship and collaboration. It is also very helpful for the collective bargaining power, and it is also very helpful for the sharing resources. With help of international conversation and convenient, we know about different products and know about different thoughts, beliefs and spirituality, because it is a very helpful for the cultural exchange and collaboration. Those are improve the tribal entrepreneurship and different type business. It is also very helpful for the empowerment and collective voice, because it is also preserve different type culture and heritage. It is also advocates for the policy changing, and it is also increase visibility, and it is also define the specific to a convenient. Those are important part for the international collaboration, international conversation and convenient. It is also promote different type of the collaboration, international conversation and convenient focus. If you collaborate with different organization, with different international NGOs, with different countries, you can joint product development, you can knowledge sharing workshop. So those are very helpful for the different collaboration, and those are very helpful for the different business. Overall, we can say cross cultural exchange and collaboration are very important for a international conversation and potential convenient on tribal entrepreneurship. By fostering these innovation network and creating a unified voice, tribal entrepreneurs can achieve greater economic success, preserve their cultural heritage and contribute significantly to achieving the FDG, यानी Sustainable Development Goal. Convenient in tribal entrepreneurship, it is a also important part because it focus very important principles of the tribal entrepreneurship, that is respect for indigenous right. That is a very important part for the tribal entrepreneurship, and it has a some core principle like sustainable practices. It means it focus on the sustainability, that is very helpful for the tribal entrepreneurship. It is also try to fair trade and market access. It is a core principle of the tribal entrepreneurship. Next is it is protect cultural preservation and also knowledge sharing and collaboration. So these 4 points are the core principles of the convenient in tribal entrepreneurship, that is sustainable practices, fair trade and market access, cultural preservation and knowledge sharing and collaboration. Area of collaboration, which type areas popular are available in the market for the convenient and in tribal entrepreneurship, that is policy adequacy, capacity building, market linkage, financial support, technology access. And these 5 points are the very important for the tribal entrepreneurship. If we collaborate these 5 points, those are play important role in a business, that is policy, capacity, market linkage, financial support and technology access. If we collaborate these 5 points, we can develop our entrepreneurship. benefit of a cabinet that is very helpful for the society. First is it is also benefit for the empowering tribal communities. It is also shared vision and collaboration with both communities. It is also increase visibility, recognition, and try to simplify different thoughts and procedures, and it is very helpful for the mobilizing resources. Those are the important part for the society, because it is empowered the encourage the governments, international organization, and the private sector to dedicate more resources towards supporting tribal entrepreneurship initiative. International conversation and convenient. Here we try to connect international conversation and convenient with SDG, Sustainable Development Goal. आप ये कह सकते हैं कि इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन एंड कन्वीनेंट ब्रिजिंग ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड एफडीजी। इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन, कन्वीनेंट, ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और एफडीजी के बीच में ब्रिज का काम करता है, जो कि बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है। इसमें फर्स्ट पॉइंट है शेयरिंग नॉलेज एंड बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस। इट इज ए ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म allow tribal entrepreneurs from around the world to exchange successful business model, sustainable practices, and strategy for overcoming challenge, and this foster innovation and adaptation within the FDG framework. All these 3 points are related to the FDG framework. Building partnership. It is a also important part of the FDG, because international conversation connect tribal entrepreneurs with international organization, NGO, and potential investors. This facility collaboration on the project that address specific FDG such as ecotourism, venture for responsible tourism, FDG 12 and 15, are fair trade, handicraft, business for poverty reduction, that is FDG 1. So raising awareness is also important for the bridging tribal entrepreneurs and FDG, because global discussion elevate the profile of tribal entrepreneurs and highlight its potential for FDG. This attract international support and resources. So poverty reduction is FDG 1, and ecotourism, venture for responsible tourism, that is FDG 12, and 15 is the important part for the bridging tribal entrepreneurs and FDG, Sustainable Development Goal. Convenient on tribal entrepreneurs and FDG, it is also bridging a gap between the convenient on tribal entrepreneurship, because first point is shared vision and goal. It is a non-binding convenient outlines principle and goal for international cooperation in supporting tribal entrepreneurs aligned with the FDG. This create a framework for collaboration and ensure efforts are focused on specific development goal. Those are very helpful. Second point is focus on sustainability. It is a also responsible for the sustainable business, FDG 30 and FDG 12. It is also involved with the focus on sustainability. And next is fair trade and market access. It is also helpful for the FDG 8, that is economic growth, FDG 9, that is fostering economic inclusion and innovation. So it is very helpful for the market. A global online forum connect a Masai women beadwork corporation in Kenya with an NGO specializing in fair trade marketing. This collaboration allow the Masai women to sell their product directly to international customers, increasing their income. Income means FDG 1, and promoting cultural heritage, it means FDG 11. So Masai Women Beadwork Corporation is very popular for convenient on tribal entrepreneurship and FDG. because it is also promote the tribal entrepreneurship. In another example is Worli painting. It is also helpful and it is also protected by FDG 12 and FDG 11. Those are focus on the raw material and focus on the local traditions. So we can say convenient and tribal entrepreneurship and FDG has a positive relationship for the tribal entrepreneurship. There are the lot of the potential benefit of an international convenient and tribal entrepreneurship and FDG. If we do the work with both, so there are the lot of the benefit like enhanced market access. It has also provided financial inclusion. It is also developed capacity building, and it is also focus on the sustainable development. Those are the part of the FDG. It means it is also helpful for the preservation of indigenous knowledge, and it is also helpful for the environmental protection, and it is also helpful for the communities development. So we can say international convenient and tribal entrepreneurship and FDG both are play important roles because both provided positive benefit related to the tribals. One is empowering the tribal business and another is sustain the environment and do the work for the sustainable development. Overall, we can say international conversation and convenient empowered tribal entrepreneurship to leverage their cultural heritage, collective vision, wisdom, and entrepreneurial spirit to address pressing challenges, create economic opportunity, and build a good relationship, good thoughts, and develop tribal communities. As we look to the future, let us continue to uphold these principles and support indigenous entrepreneur as a positive change, as a social justice and cultural preservation on a global scale. We can say international collaboration play a important role for the development of the tribal एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. लास्ट में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन एंड ट्राइबल कन्वीनेंट या ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए हमको डेवलपमेंट से रिलेटेड जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट, जो भी कोलैबोरेशन करना है उसमें एसडीजी को भी फॉलो करना रहेगा, क्योंकि सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल के जो 16 प्रिंसिपल हैं वो ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप या ट्राइबल बिजनेस के लिए विशेषकर इंटरनेशनल कोलैबोरेशन या इंटरनेशनल कन्वीनेंट में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट प्ले करते हैं, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट उनका रोल है। इस कारण हमको इन सभी का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा जिससे कि ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पॉजिटिव वे में डेवलप कर सके। थैंक यू फॉर द योर पेशेंस। थैंक यू वेरी मच।